Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring your PC meets basics. Windows 10 or 11x64, at least 8 GB RAM and 50 GB free. Once done, download iTunes and the Apple mobile device drivers so Windows can recognize iOS hardware. Make sure you get a reliable virtualization app or emulator that supports ARM or iOS images. Reboot, then enable Hyper-V or virtualization in BIOS. This provides the sandbox you need. After reboot, plug your device and confirm Windows detects it before moving on. Once Windows sees your device, open your virtualization tool and import or create the iOS-compatible image. You will assign resources, at least 4 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM, enable USB pass-through so your phone connects directly, and configure NAT networking so apps can access the internet. Next, boot the VM and install Apple services or required runtime components inside that environment. Sign in to your Apple ID to sync apps and backups. Make sure snapshots are enabled so you can roll back if configuration breaks. You finish by testing app installation, iCloud sync, and backups from within the VM, confirming the device appears in iTunes and file transfer works. If things stall, review virtualization logs and Windows Device Manager for driver conflicts. Revert to a snapshot if a recent change caused the problem. Make sure USB pass-through is active and reinstall Apple mobile device drivers if the phone disappears. Finally, adjust resource allocation or networking. Then retest. These small tweaks usually resolve the remaining connectivity or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.